panagan sa at buhay.
Yun. Tumiki na.
Sana may makakalipas eh.
Hello, Sid.
Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Still not understanding this logic. Hey, back in a better. Want you bad as ever. Let me just let up.
Jasmine, hi. Ano bantay?
Baby, it's whatever. Somebody gotta step up. Let somebody some next up. Be damn if you let them catch up. It's easy to see that you're better. I am on a whole nother level. Girl, you don't fuck you over cause you let them. Fuck them, girl, I guess you didn't know any better.
Guys, tulungan nyo nga ako. Thank you, thanks. Anong bagay sa akin ng ngiti?
Anything you say, he been killing the vibe. Gotta be sick of this guy. Pull up the skirt, get in the right. Left hand is steering, the other is gripping your thigh. Light up a split and get high. Shawty, you deserve what you've been missing. Looking at you, I'm thinking he must be driven. Hey, this no phone, just listen.
Kasi na-miss mo lang ako. That's so sad. That's so sad talaga.
Said the kids don't play games, and it's loving ain't the same. I don't know what to say.
Hi, girls and
What's
girls.
shame? If you were mine, you would not get the same. If you were mine, you would top everything. Side and the drops with your lanes and a thing.
Yan,
Don't fly,
hi.
baby, no propane. Got good pretty girls, can I be frank? Keep it 100, girl, I ain't no saint. But you the only reason that I'm feeling this way. Giving you the world, baby,
Bakit?
when you get space, big gang, give me
Bakit
that,
ganun,
baby, that's
Zan?
penetrate.
Hello, Ron. Ito daw. Alam niyo guys, gusto ko lang gumala. Sana matuloy kami ni Iza, ni Azzy. May gugupitan mo ako, huwag mo kakalimutan ngayong gabi. Oh. Babawasan lang, onti lang. Onti. Single mom. Ano nangyari? If you don't mind me asking. Pinagtiti ko kasi sa Hi. Samuro, hi. Hello, Paniki. Okay. Divorce naman niya. And, I mean, hiwalay ba sila? Ano sila? Iba naman yun? Mga laro na yan, tigil nyo na yan. So ang pakilala niya sa'yo, single. Hindi niya sinabing married siya. Ari. Yun lang. Mahirap. Koreano or Pinoy din? Alin ba yung cakes? Akala ko ba laro? Ano sinasabi mo? Hindi naman pala eh. So, anong nangyari ba? Ay, nako. Kuya. Okay lang sa akin guys na puntahan niyo siya. Pero, huwag niyo naman ako kakalimutan. Nandito lang ako. Kaya naman. Alam niyo sa akin yun ang gastusin niyang pera niyo. Okay. So, siya yung may ayaw. Tapos pa ng ilong. Who is this fine shit? Nag-brush ka muna. Mag-charge ako kapatid. Ako sa kabila. Din sa one circle. Mag-charge na ako. Hi, Surin. Guys, pat siya. Shit, kala niya si Catherine Bernardo. Ako lang taha. Ano gari? Malis ka nga dyan. Maganda ka kasi naka-charge ako eh. Kakandang. Ito, hindi naman ako pag... Hindi ko naman habang hindi ka palobat. Saglit lang naman eh. Tuwin daw. Sorry guys, mas maganda ako sa kanya.